What's up guys, my name's Laura and welcome to the Coupon Club. I know it's been a while since I filmed a video, but I'm back baby, and I'm back with a good one. I just came back from Dollar General and I did that 6 off of 25 deal for February 29th, and oh my god, I just got such good deals. I got one deal for like $1.50, another deal for I think $2.95, and my other one was $3.95. So stick tuned and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. But first, let me just show you everything that I got all together. So all together, I was able to get all this stuff, guys, for like $8.40 total. So I got a thing of toilet paper, 6 things of Wicks, 3 toothpaste, 3 things of razors, 3 fabric softeners, 4 dish detergents, 2 Swiffer pads. I got this Dawn Platinum Power Wash, which is like a new dish soap thing. So that's really nice. And then I got this Drano because I just really needed it. So all together, all of these items cost me $8.40. That is unbelievable. I don't even know how many things I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 items, guys, for $8.40. If you guys want to do these deals with me, stick tuned because I'm going to show you guys how I did this. I did do 3 different transactions, so I will show you each of them. All right, let's break this down. Okay, so I'm gonna go over my most expensive transaction first, and that's gonna be on this receipt right here. And as you can see, my subtotal came to $3.95, and after tax, it came to just $4.20. So really good deal. So let me show you guys everything that I got. To start off, I'm gonna show you guys the freebies, the good ones, the best ones. So first off, we have the Crest Toothpaste. This is the baking soda and peroxide whitening, and this is priced at $2, and we have a $2 off digital coupon in the Dollar General app, making this free. So definitely add this to your cart. And now our second freebie is going to be on the Gain fabric softener. This can be found in the dollar aisle, and we're going to use our $1 off of Gain fabric softener or Gain sheets digital coupon. And now if you guys don't want the fabric softener, there is also a $1 box of Gain sheets. It's like a 15 count. You can also use that, so you can get whichever one you want. The next item I got was this Platinum Dawn dish soap. This is like a new dish soap that they have, and it is currently priced at $5, but it's on sale for $4.95, and there's a $2.50 off digital coupon. So go ahead and add this to your cart. The next thing I picked up were the big Soleil razors, and this is the 3 count, and it's priced at $3.35. And there is, it's priced at $3.30, and there's a $3 off coupon, making this pack of razors just 30 cents. So be sure to add this to your cart as well. Moving on, the next items I picked up were the Wicks, and these are priced at $3.35, and we have a $3 off coupon, making it just 35 cents. And I actually had 2 of these $3 off coupons, so I picked up 2 of them. So 2 of these brought my total to $6.70, but with those 2 $3 off coupons, it came to just 70 cents for the both of these. Moving on, the next thing I picked up were the Swiffer Wet Packs, or whatever you want to call these. They're for your Swiffer, the floor mopping. And these are priced at $4.50, and we have a $2 off coupon, making them just $2.50. The next item I got, you guys can swap out for something else. I actually picked up this Drano. It's priced at $4, and there's no coupon for it, but it's just something that I really needed. But a great item that you guys can pick up instead of this, if you want to even lower out of pocket, it's going to be the Crest 3D White. This is toothpaste, and this is priced at $4, and there's a $3 off Crest toothpaste digital coupon, and that's going to bring the price down for that Crest to just $1. So instead of paying $4 out of pocket for this, you'll pay $1 out of pocket for that Crest and have an even lower out of pocket than I did. So that was the first transaction. So I got all that stuff there for $3.95 plus tax, bringing it to like $4.20. So if you guys got that Crest instead of this Drano, I think your total will be $1.95 plus tax. So really freaking good deal. Get over to Dollar General if you guys want to do that, and keep in mind that's the most expensive deal that I did today. So moving on, I'm going to show you the second most expensive deal that I did. All right, this deal I'm going to show you is really good because it includes paper products, specifically toilet paper, and one of my favorites, Charmin. So for this transaction, my total came to $2.95 before tax, and after tax it was $3.13. As you can see here, I'll show you guys all the receipts later and break them down for you. But to start off, I picked up this Charmin toilet paper. It's the 12 equals 24 roll, and it's on sale for $4.95, and we have a $1 off coupon, making it just $3.95. The next thing I picked up were these all laundry pods, And these are on sale, 2 for $8. And we have a digital coupon, $4 off of 2, making them 2 for $4. And just so you guys know, this sale is on all and Snuggle products. So if you guys wanted to get like some Snuggle fabric softener or some Snuggle scent boosters, you can swap out either of these or both of these for those as well, and it'll be the same price. So again, these are 2 for $8 with a $4 digital coupon, making them 2 for $4. The next couple items are the freebie items again. So again, I picked up the fabric softener and the Crest toothpaste. And just so you guys know, I am using a different Dollar General account. That is why I'm able to do these freebies twice. So go ahead and add these to your cart. And then after you pick up those freebies, I again picked up those big Soleil razors for 30 cents. Again, these are $3.30 with a $3 off digital, making it just 30 cents. Now for the last items of this transaction, I again got the Wicks, and I again got 2 because I still had both of my $3 off coupons. And these again were priced at $3.35 with a total of $6 in coupons. So my total was $6.70 and I took off $6 in coupons, making it just 70 cents for the both of these. So great deal. For a visual, here is everything I picked up in that second transaction, guys. Again, this one came to $2.95, $3.13 before tax. Check out all this stuff. For my last deal today, to start off, I picked up again 2 of these Wicks. They're priced at $3.35 each, bringing it to $6.70. 2 $3 off coupons, making it just 70 cents for the both of them. Again, I also picked up those freebies. So again, the Gain and the Crest, $1 and $2, $2 off digital, $1 off digital, making these both free. And I'm sure you're predicting this next one, but again, I picked up the big Soleil razors for $3.30 with a $3 off digital, making them just 30 cents for this pack of razors. The next thing that I picked up for this transaction were the Swiffer Wet Packs. These are priced at $4.50 and we have a $2 off digital, making it just $2. Finally, the last things that I got for this transaction were the all laundry pads. These are priced at $4 each, making them $8. And we have a $4 off digital, making it just $4 for the 2 of these. And again, this digital coupon is good for all and Snuggle products. So if you guys don't want these all laundry pods, you can pick up some Snuggle also. Just make sure you scan it into your app and make sure that coupon does come off. So that was it for my final transaction. And of course, I used that 6 off of 25 for all 3 of these. And just so you know, for that final transaction, I'm sure I've said this, but my final subtotal came to, boom, $1.50 plus tax, making it just $1.59. So let me just show you a visual of everything all together of that last transaction. All right, check this out. This is the last transaction I did, which came to just $1.50. So let me see. So just for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, $1.50. I don't even know how much that comes down to per item, probably like 15 cents or something. But this is just a great deal, guys. We have a 6 off of 25 this weekend. Definitely take advantage. It's usually a 5 off of 25. So this is definitely a great plus. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have time to get out today and go take advantage of these deals. They are amazing. I can't believe I was able to pick up all that stuff for so cheap. Definitely gonna be donating some, giving some to my family, whatever it may be. I'm really happy about it. So I'll see you guys next week with the next deal. Happy shopping. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See ya.